So let's study the differences between a heat pump and a refrigerator. So the first point under the heat pump is, so a heat pump is a device that maintains a body at a temperature which is higher than that of the surroundings. And for a refrigerator, so a refrigerator is a device that maintains a body at a temperature which is lower than that of the surroundings. Now let's understand these points with the help of a nice diagram. So for heat pump, if this is my source, let this be at a temperature TH, this is the source and this is the sink. Let this be at a temperature TC. Now TC is always less than TH and this is my heat pump. So what a heat pump does is it takes energy from the sink and delivers it to the source. So let the amount of heat taken from the sink be Q2 and the amount of heat which is deposited to the source be Q1. And in order for this process to take place, some work is needed to be done on the heat pump, which is denoted by W. So for heat pump, the desired effect is to increase this Q1 as much as possible. We want this Q1 to be as higher as possible. And for the refrigerator, so if this is my refrigerator, let me denote this with R, having the same properties as the heat pump, that is TH, TC. The temperature of the sink will be TC and the temperature of the source is TH. Here Q1 and Q2. Q2 is the heat taken from the sink. Q1 is the amount of heat which is deposited to the source, and the work done on the refrigerator is W. So the difference between the heat pump and the refrigerator, the main difference is that for refrigerator the desired effect is increasing this Q2. For refrigerator the desired effect is increasing this Q2, while for heat pump the desired effect is increasing this Q1. This is because for heat pump, the heat pump is the motive of the heat pump is to maintain a body at a temperature higher than that of the surrounding. We want the temperature of this source to be as high as possible, and for this to occur, this Q1 must be as high as possible. And for refrigerator, the motive of the refrigerator is to maintain the body at a temperature lower than that of the surrounding. So what we want is the temperature of this sink to be as low as possible, and in order to do so, we need to increase this Q2 as much as possible. So with this we will proceed to the definition of the COP, that is the coefficient of performance for the heat pump and the refrigerator. So the second point will be, so the COP of the heat pump is given by Q1 by W, which is the desired effect. The desired effect for heat pump is to increase Q1. So Q1 will be in the numerator and the work input is W, it will be in the denominator. So this is the heat pump COP of the heat pump. And for refrigerator, so the COP of the refrigerator will be equal to Q2 by W, because for refrigerator the desired effect is to increase this Q2, hence the Q2 will be on the numerator and the work input is W, it is always in the denominator. So in order to simplify this, we know that for both of these work done is given by Q1 minus Q2, Q1 minus Q2. This is for both of these systems. Hence for heat pump, this equation reduces to Q1 divided by Q1 minus Q2, and for refrigerator this becomes Q2 divided by Q1 minus Q2. So these are the expressions for COP of heat pump and COP of refrigerator. So we can represent these COPs with respect to the source and the sink temperature. For heat pump this will become Q1 will become TH. So TH divided by TH minus TC, and for refrigerator this reduces to TC divided by TH minus TC. So these are the expressions for COP of heat pump and COP of refrigerator. Now there is a correlation between the COP of heat pump and COP of refrigerator. It is given by COP of heat pump is equal to COP of heat pump is equal to COP of refrigerator plus 1. So we can prove this easily. If I add 1 to this COP of refrigerator, that is Q2 divided by Q1 minus Q2 plus 1. If I do this simplification, then this ends up being Q2 plus Q1 minus Q2 divided by Q1 minus Q2. So this Q2 gets cancelled and this becomes Q1 by Q1 minus Q2, which is equal to the COP of the heat pump. So this is the correlation between COP of heat pump and COP of refrigerator, that is COP of heat pump equals to 1 plus COP of refrigerator. So these were the differences. These were the differences between heat pump and refrigerator. The main point to notice here is that for heat pump the desired effect is to increase this Q1, and for refrigerator the desired effect is to increase this Q2, which is the heat which is taken from the sink. Thank you.